Hello, this is question number 5.4. In this question, I have to design 3-bit wide positive edge triggered synchronous moderate up counter using 3 T flip-flops having active high enable control and asynchronous active low signal named reset n. Okay, so as stated in the question, I have inputs as clock, enable and reset n, and my output will be Q. This Q is 3-bit wide as given in the question. We have to design a 3-bit counter. Next, I define a signal T and a temp. T will be the toggle signals and temporary signal will be connected to Q because its mode is out. Next, uh, this process of these 3 T flip-flops should work only when uh, our enable is high and there is a positive edge triggered. So the process should be sensitive to clock. Now, since it is asynchronous reset, so it should also be sensitive to reset n. So whenever there is a reset, the temp, which is the output, should be turned all zeros. While if reset is not there, since it is active low, so if it is active high, then uh, it should go to else if and check if enable is also 1. And then if it is true, then it starts toggling process. Now after the toggle, you can see what are the values should what all should be the values of these. So for this question, the T should be 1, the first, then second should be the Q output of the first T flip-flop, and the second, third T flip-flops toggle should be the AND of output of first T flip-flop Q and Q0 and Q1 of uh, second T flip-flop, and finally T temporary is connected to Q for the output. Now you can see over here I have also designed a test bench. So this is a component declaration as of our this entity, and this is the component instantiation. These are the signals defined. You can see the clock is toggling at every 10 nanoseconds. In this, I have uh, initially the enable and reset are 1. Since it is a active low, so initially there is no reset and initially enable is 1. So initially it should work. After 100 nanosecond, I have changed enable to 0 bit, 0 value, and after 200 nanosecond, I have changed to 0 value. So let us see the simulation. Sorry, I showed off different question. Hmm. So you can see over here, our initial value of Q is 0, 0, 0. Then it is synchronous up counter. So every clock edge, it is increasing. After 100 nanosecond, our enable is 0. So the value of Q is fixed at 101. And after 200 nanosecond, our reset is 0. So reset goes 0. So since it is active low enabled, active low reset, so the values of Q also goes to 0 after 200 nanosecond. Thank you.